I got into aviation because I always grew up traveling. My mom, she works for the airlines as a flight attendant, so I started taking classes and I fell in love with it. There's a lot of things that I look forward to. The flying itself is actually probably the most. I think every pilot would probably say that. It's a freedom to be able to fly and do what you love. I would say that this program is definitely fast track. I think the first lesson, private pilot day one, you might be in the simulator, but a few lessons after that, I mean, within the first week or two for sure, you're getting into the airplane and getting that experience.
So on the pre-flight, we want to make sure we check all these attachments. Gateway's training program starts out first semester. It's a mix of flight training in our Cessna 172s and also our Redbird flight simulator. We couple that with a ground school course that helps teach some of the fundamentals in both theory and regulations, also some maintenance with the engine and the aircraft, all those things that are required to become a private pilot.
When you start your training, you'll start flying in the Cessna 172. We have two of these, and that's what you'll get your private and your instrument in. And then from there, you'll move on and start flying the multi-engine aircraft. And by the time you finish this program, you have about 100 hours of multi-time, which is pretty impressive compared to other programs.
Throughout the course of the program, students will take external exams with a FAA-designated pilot examiner.
They give you the foundation, the major stepping stone that you need to be able to get to where you need to be to fly for the airlines.
Aeronautics right now is a very high demand field. There's a lot of different ways to go, whether you be a flight instructor or work as a commercial pilot, flying charter, and Gateway can help get you to where you want to be in your aviation career.
After graduation, I plan on being a CFI, and that's to build time. You know, there's my days where I'm stressed and everything, but in the end it's very rewarding, and yeah, I couldn't be happier.